Alright, so I removed this air dam, front end air dam. It was right there. Gives the truck a better profile on the side. So you have full clearance there and there. Kind of matches the side of the truck now. It just gives it another high, it just looks higher off the ground. The truck is already sitting, actually let me measure it so I can show you. So you're at about 15 and a half, 16 inches there. Oh, now you still got here, this is the real clearance right here, right? About 11 and about 10 on this side. About 10, 11, 15 in the front. Okay, so with the air dam, now I know the air dam is made for aerodynamics and help with gas mileage. But so if you're ever going out at like long trips, put it back on. It's just a few screws, 10mm screws. There's about maybe 10 all the way across. Just take these off. It comes right off. Put it right back on. It's really easy to do. But you can see here it's about 11.5 inches off the ground here, about on the side. I mean, it doesn't look bad on there. It's just, it gives it much more clearance, just a better off-road, off the ground look without it there, right? And these are just, like I said, 10mm bolts. I already took the rest of them off. Just these off right here. And the whole thing just comes right off. It does have a clip here that you can clip on and off also, that could help it stay. But then you just put these kind of back on there just so you can save it. Like I said, if you're ever on a long distance road trip, you probably want to put it back on just to get a couple miles per gallon on your vehicle. Okay. It's not required, not necessary, but it's just an option. Alright, let's do the other side. Where is it? Okay, now see how you have holes that are left here? You can leave the holes like there if you want, or you can get these clips here. These are just good clips also to buy them at the store, at the auto parts store. These are about a quarter, 3/8 maybe in width, and they just slip right in there. They're very hard, a little tough to get out, so maybe. Hold on, where is it? Oh wow! One at a time. Nice and flush now. See, do the same thing on this one. And then we'll do the other side and it'll be nice and flush, but I like it. Take the little air dam off, just gives you a little more clearance, like I said. Looks good. There it is. Please like, subscribe, check out some of these other videos I got also.